Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Quick video. I received a package from Southampton and they sent me something totally unexpected. So, of course, I took off the labels and stuff. So, see all these nice buttons. To Panda-Frog. With thanks for your first challenge coin, a few of our first batches and 30 extra inside box with your logo done on them for additional giveaways. Southampton Lockpicking Club. We will open this in a second. And they also printed me this letter. Dear Panda-Frog, please find enclosed our first Southampton Lockpicking Club badges for you. In gratitude to you for sending us your first challenge coin a while back. We wanted to do something similar for ourselves and so made the decision to send you our first ones of these. And have also made you an additional 30 logo badges for your awesome channel. I'm sorry. Alright. We hope you didn't mind. No, I don't mind. It's fine. And limited 30 batches run. We haven't even kept one for ourselves. You will get one for sure. Making them more collectible to everyone. Should you wish to give away? Give any away. And I will give a lot away. I will keep one for me, one for you, and the rest I need to give them away. Anyway, keep up the fantastic work you are doing on your awesome channel. And until next time, we wish you and your family all the very best and hope you stay safe and well. Best wishes all at Southampton Lockpicking Club. Thank you so much. Now let's see what you sent me. I was really a real surprise. They mentioned on the comment that they want to send me something, or that they did send me something, but I had no clue. So let's see. Oh, nice. Okay, so they wrote something more. Our badge inside. First person to own one of these. Well, let's see what we got here. I don't want to rip it off, but okay. Now I'm really curious. I love swag. Alright, so we're gonna look at the badges, the buttons in a second. Ooh, fancy! I love Lockspot. Southampton, that's amazing. They're great. They look awesome. I really love them already. Thank you so much. And now, oops, I already dropped one out. They also sent me 30 of the Panda-Frog buttons. And they also look amazing. Very clean. Very good. Alright, thank you so much for these. I will give a couple of these away, for sure. Thank you so much. Alrighty. So, I am the first person to own Southampton. How do you call these? Badges? Buttons? Well, anyways, thank you so much for this one. And for the second part of the video, I need to try all the being Boozled. I got them from John Lock, and let's try to find every color in here. So apparently, when I tried them first, I had the hottest one. Oh no, the second hottest. There must be 5. They're a little hard to tell. Alright, apparently my DSLR is not charging when it's on, so Well, so I bamboozled all of them out here. So we got sriracha, we got jalapeno, we got the cayenne, we got the habanero, and the Carolina Reaper here. And this accu, or this battery is almost dead again. Ah, damn it. Well, sriracha. Let's see. It's not that bad. Well, apparently my second battery is also dead. So I had the sriracha. Sorry for the worse sound quality. Now I'm gonna try the jalapeno. Oh, yeah, this is hotter. But it's still okay. Very good. Now we got the cayenne. Jalapeno was hotter. Now we try the habanero. I had this one before. Oh, they do have an app. I have to download the free app. Oh yeah, habanero was hot. Oui. All right, Carolina Reaper. Oh yeah, there comes. All right, they're really getting hotter and hotter. Now the Carolina Reaper hits me. Well, I'm gonna go get something to drink. Join the 1 Million Sculptor Club. If you don't know it, check out the Discord or the description. Check out the description. Whee, it's getting hot now. Southampton, thank you so much for all the nice badges. I was a real surprise, thank you. And I got your cup here. That's the 1 Million Lockspot Club cup also. So, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.